Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have a case for your iPhone 16 Pro. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have a case for your beautiful iPhone 16 Pro. In today's video, I'll be reviewing the Mous Limitless 6.0 case for your iPhone 16 Pro. This one is in black leather, but they have a bamboo. They have one called black specs, carbon fiber, stone, walnut. There's many different cases you can pick up from Amazon and their website. I'll have links for both of them. You also can get this for the iPhone 16 Pro Max. So if you're watching the video and you have the Pro Max, look in the description also. I've been using Mous for a long time now, and I really do enjoy their cases. They made some changes to it. They made some improvement to the cases year over year. So we'll get into it. Like we normally do in my reviews, we'll make sure everything lines up. Can your wireless charge? Do you get camera protection? Do you get lip protection? How strong is that magnet? You know, does the case fit well? Does it have bulk? Just the normal things you look for in a case video. But nice presentation from them. I mean, if y'all want to pause that, it says we're getting greener. So stuff is made out of recycled paper here. Life without limits. Do not call them Mous. It is Mous. But nice presentation. Now I do love, you get some pamphlets here. I do just love the back of this. It feels like leather on here. You have a little Mous logo there, Mous logo there. They have a cutout for the camera button. It's going to be interesting to see what other companies do. You have that shock absorption on the inside and at the corners there. Felt material on the back. You can see the MagSafe. This is one of the improvements. They added grip to the case here. And then no grip on this side. You have your power button. But let's see how this thing fits. Nice and snug. Do you get lip protection? Yes, you do. You got it at the top and the bottom there. So if you lay your case down, you can look. See, you got some protection there. Not a lot, but you have some. You do have camera protection there too. I don't even have the case on there. Look. Bam. Everything lines up there. It doesn't have bulk. You can see that it has corner protection, but not bulky. The power button is nice and tactile. The volume rockers are nice and easy to press. The action button is easy to press too. So yeah, I mean, it let me change everything. What y'all think about that camera cutout button there? How do y'all like that? I mean, it does expose your phone to getting dents there or scratches. But I mean, it's easy to get to. And you can scroll on it, zoom in. So it's easy to get to, but what y'all think? This is the first case I'm trying out on the review, but what y'all think about that camera cutout there? We'll definitely get into that discussion. Overall fit is pretty snug. Not bad. I would say a little loose at the bottom, but not bad at all. And then trying to get, like, yeah, see? Trying to get that out, you can hear it too. Just a pop. You gotta love it. So it checks off a lot of boxes for you. How strong is the magnet? I mean, I won't say super strong, but it's not weak. Is it one of the strongest? Probably not, but I mean, it should be good unless you're trying to really put something heavy on there. I have some ring. So The magnet is strong. It could be stronger, but it's not bad. So overall, this does check off a lot of boxes for this case. The buttons are really good. The power button, the volume rockers, and the action button. Camera cutout, I mean, camera button cutout. I don't know, I think they got lazy there, but I mean, it is what it is. Everything at the bottom lines up really good. You got a lot of room there. I love the grip that you get from the sides of it. You get the camera protection. You got lip protection at the top and the bottom. If you want to pick up this case, look in the description. I will have the links there. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the iPhone 16 Pro. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.